Hello guys, it's your girl Augusta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope you all are fine. I hope everyone is recovering from all the negativity that came with the pandemic, especially those that lost their family and loved ones. I'm so excited to share this room makeover with you guys. I actually started this room makeover during the pandemic and I am in love with how it turned out. I'm going to still change some of the things in the room and probably still add more things, but for now I am absolutely in love with the whole look. The first thing I did in my room was to change the painting. Guys, my room came with this creamy off-white look or paint that most apartments do have, but I decided to paint it white, and you all can believe the difference changing this color made. It's made my room look bigger and spacious, and it also fits the gray, white, silver mirror theme I did in my room. I was able to hang this curtain on my wall without hitting any nail on the wall, without leaving any dents. So if you're lazy like me and you don't have the energy to start hitting nails or making holes on your wall, or you live in an apartment and you're not allowed to hit nails on your wall or leave any dents on your wall, or you just feel like not like hitting those nails, then I'm going to leave a link to the more detailed video I made on how to hang your curtains and pictures in your room without leaving any dents on your wall, without hitting any nails on your wall. The link is going to be somewhere up there.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right.
I did a couple of DIY projects during the pandemic, and this decorative mirror is one of them. Guys, it's so beautiful, so easy to make, and it's very, very cheap because most of the things I use for this mirror, or all the things I actually use for this mirror, is from the dollar store. I'm also going to be editing the video and posting it very soon on my channel, so you guys can see the link in the description box when I post it. I'll probably also leave the link somewhere up here. This mirror is more beautiful in person than it seems in the video.
Track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow
I know most of you want to know where I got some of the stuffs I used in this video. Guys, just watch till the end because I'm going to be doing a room tour towards the end of this video, and I'm going to be showing everything up close and talking about the stores I got some of this from. I'm also going to be leaving the link to their website in the description box. I'm not going to have the link to every single thing I bought because I bought some of them from discount stores and they don't have websites. So just keep watching because I'm going to talk about some of these discount stores.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here song. Can we just slow down and we can start waste another day? I don't wanna stay. You say we need a change and feel that you need it, but you're so right. We're losing track of time, buying things online. It's not like we need them. Safe and sound. Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we just slow down.
This is a quick look of the whole room when I was done. Guys, I absolutely love how the white paint changed the whole look of the room. I'm going to go ahead now and do a quick tour of the whole room. The first thing you're going to see as soon as you walk into my room is my side of the bed. I have this small foot rug on the floor, the white rug. The next thing you're going to see is my nightstand. And I got that nightstand from American Signature. I think that's the name of the furniture shop. I'm going to leave their name on the screen. The next thing is the decorative mirror on the wall, which I made myself. I'm going to leave the link to the video in the description box. I got the table lamp from Home Depot. And guys, I'm absolutely in love with this lamp. As you guys can see, it has this transparent glass handle and it's so beautiful. The flower and flower vase is from Burlington. The picture frame is also from Burlington. I'm yet to put a picture in it. Now let's talk about the bed and the beddings. Guys, I got this wall canvas up there from Home Goods. I love this because it's very simple. It's almost plain. It has just "This is us" written on it. It is probably one of the things I'm going to change later on in this room, but for now it fits into the room, so I'm going to leave it there. There is a sheet under the white quilt, and I got that from Home Goods. I got the white quilt from Walmart. It was on sale, so I decided to get it. I also got a matching white pillowcase for it, and I got that pillowcase from Amazon. The two peach throw pillows are from Walmart. And guys, this decorative pillow is from Home Goods, and I feel like my camera is not doing justice to this pillow. It's beaded and it's so beautiful. The beads sparkles from afar, and my camera is not doing any justice to that at all. I got the gray duvet from Macy's. They had a sale during the pandemic, and I used that opportunity to get some beddings from them. This peach throw blanket is also from Burlington. This is a closer look of the headboard. Guys, it's so beautiful. It has these crystal-like buttons on it. I used to think they were going to fall off after a while, but it's close to 1 year we've started using this bed and it's still intact. And this is the bed. Guys, I love the light effect on it. It has this bed around the headboard. It's white, blue, and red. You can turn it on at night. You can also put on the flashlight at night. It's so beautiful when you turn off your light at night and only turn on this headboard light. And we bought this bed as a set of 6 from American Signature. I'm going to leave their link in the description box. It comes with only one nightstand, so we had to get a second nightstand, and it cost about $2,000. The mirror on the nightstand also came with this light, but I couldn't turn that on for you guys in this video because I mistakenly spoiled the plug when I was moving the dresser around. And you control this light with a small remote. This other side of the bed is same thing like my side. It has the wall decorative mirror I did myself, the table lamp, the picture frame with my daughter's picture on it, and it also has same flowers. I got the 2 gray curtains from Burlington. I also got the curtain rail from Burlington. The white curtain between the 2 gray curtains, I got that from a discount store close to my house called Gay. And guys, I was able to hang this curtain without any tools or hitting any nail on my wall. Please don't forget to check the video on how to hang your curtains without hitting any nail on your wall in my description box. I got this wall frame from Burlington. This is my dresser and the mirror on it. This mirror also has light around it, but I can't turn it on right now. I got this flower from Burlington. It came with the vase. I also got this box, these 2 boxes with crystal-like buttons around it from Burlington. They are so beautiful, guys, and this camera is not doing justice to it. I also got the candle from Burlington. This is my dresser, guys. I just want to show you all the handle. It has those crystal-like buttons on it, just like the one on the headboard. We are finally at the end of the room tour. Guys, I enjoyed putting this whole thing together, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it too. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to share this video, like, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
For you and I would say